Hi, hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome to my streaming. I'm not sure whether it's morning or over there, but we're gonna have a look at London session. We just want to take a holistic view at market to see how market is gonna behave. We're at London Open. Basis that we can then form a decision to either buy or sell. Okay. So I'm just gonna focus today on perhaps forget about this, please. Focus today on US30 and gold as well. I'm not sure. Let me see. My camera is not working for some reasons. I don't know. Okay, yeah, it's not working yet. I'm not sure why. That's strange. All right, that's by the way. So let me just have a very nice, good look at these my good friends. They're not relevant, but at the same time they're relevant. So, oh my God, let's pay attention to these guys. Holy, this is beautiful. Okay, 19 pips heading for 43 pips. This would have been a very perfect option. What is all good? I'm not looking at this right now. Let's look at good, 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 good. So how is good going to behave at London Open? We don't know. So let's look at daily time frame. Daily time frame. I would say gold is a bit. I can't define what gold is doing here, but looking at overall trend, it's just bullish. And looking at 4 hours time frame that is intraday, you can clearly see that market is a bit crazy, whereby we had a break of 1971. We found price at somewhere around 1983, where we have seen some rejections around that zone. And apparently there was a breakout and then faking. Okay, so after this breakout and this fake out here, the breakout and of course closure inward again into a specific rejection area or ranging area. So we are supposed to actually, I mean, based on the what I have seen in the market, we are supposed to keep trending low at least to until we have cleared few this week at least. We're supposed to have few this week, and with enough volume, we're supposed to also hit 958. So I don't know whether this is going to happen today, but from what I see here, I'm seeing good signs, and it most likely looks like price is going to attempt to fill this week. Whenever London session opens, yeah. So let's have a look at 1 hour. 1 hour time frame where price broke below 1980 and trended up to 90 below 1975, and of course went up again to retest 1985, and is attempting right now to see if we can secure a closure below 1979, 1980. And if we are able to secure closure around there, of course, not minding this weekend noise here, we may be able to yet see price hit maybe 1975 and below, of course, 1974 area. So I don't know how this is going to work out, but I'm trying to see if I can see any opportunity around here. Trying to see if there's going to be any opportunity around here. Basically, if you are following me, you've been following me for some time, you're going to understand that the special place, my special point here to get in, seeing that basically we have some sort of support here and resistance here, right? Why do I call this support? You can see, oh, price, moved all the way up here, moved down, forming a resistance here. and then moved down here, and this next candle formed, started moving up. It formed support already, and price has been printing side by side ever since. It attempted to break out, and of course broke in one more time. So already we have a fake out defined this morning. By default, we have a fake out already defined, pretty much fine this morning. So price again attempted to break below, but after breaking into this zone, we still didn't get a closure. After all this noise, this much noise, we got a very nice bullish candle here, which would have closed above but couldn't close above. It got rejected and it came back into the range one more time. After all this drama, we have one candle, bearish candle, closing where this candle, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight candles couldn't close. Yeah, does it make any sense why I'm kind of looking for sales? So this candle closed literally where eight candles couldn't close. The next candle tried to confuse us a little bit by closing, bullish, little bit of bullish. I would call this could be called doji, right? With very small body, and the next one closed bearish. After closing bearish, the next candle right after it closed below it. So I think going for sell right from here would be a very good option. But perhaps for me, since we have a lot of rejections around here from this level, because this specific candle had closed below, I mean, into this rejection area, right? So there's no entry here that is like, double or, not acceptable. Entry here is acceptable, entry here is acceptable. But then the only call out I have right here is that this week here is my problem. Yeah. So what if we do something? We try to see if we can secure maybe a price can come all the way down and move up into this zone again to print a signal, an entry, a position, device entry opportunity for us for price to continue going down to 1975. That's going to be approximately around 50 pips, yeah? 40, 50 pips. I think that would be a nice decision, yeah? So you have to wait for price to, give us some sort of signal, that it is going down. Hey, hello guys, I'm going down. Let's wait for that. If we do not see that, then we have to call it a day because I don't want to take any unsolicited trade, any unconfirmed trade. Looking at this now, price is actually broken below. Maybe there is a better way to look at this. I don't know. Maybe there's a better way, I would say. But price has broken below this particular week that I was scared of. But the question is it going to close below it? So let's see, maybe if we can secure a closure below this level, maybe we can actually do something. Let's see if we're actually going to secure a closure below this level. If we can, then next thing we're going to do is to see if price begins to pull back, we get in with stop loss above 1985 or 1980, 80, 55, 53, or 1980, 1981 zone. But then whatever entry we have here, we're not gonna like get in like full force because you need to minimize your risk. I'm gonna suggest maybe use 0.5% of your account because this is not making any sense. Yeah, we are just trying to be satisfied that even if this price moved down because of this clean traffic to the right hand side, to the left hand side, sorry, then we are not penniless, in this nice move that we've spotted beforehand. Yeah. So let's see how this is actually going to work. I wish my camera is just going to work. I'm not sure why it's not accepting my face today. Whenever it turns on and sees my face, it shuts down. I don't know why. Perhaps he's scared of my face or what? Okay, maybe we should try what my friend suggested something the other day. He said Brazilian funky. Is it? Let's try some music. Maybe if we put on some music. Oh, Brazilian funk. funk, my dear. Let's see if it's gonna help us. If it helps us, fine. If it doesn't, let's see again. And it's a bit too early to play funky. Let's leave funky for the New York session. Let's play something smooth. It's too early. Okay, camera, are you gonna turn on now? Yeah, no. Turned off again. Oh no. The hell, man. I'm just waiting for Price to do something very special. Please, if you're confused with any line on my chat, just ask, okay? Because I'm actually so willing to, talk about it. Any line. I have a reason why. There's a reason why I have this line. There's a reason why I have this. There's a reason why I have this, and there's a reason why I have this. And funny enough, price, price is beautifully respecting those levels. So beautiful, 1985 getting respected like mad. 1980 getting respected like mad. So what's going to be the next point? Perhaps the next point is going to be 1975. What do you think, guys? Hello, Mr. Onoja Friday. Oh my God, could you please be my mentor in FX trading? I really want to learn more about FX. Your student, Friday Onoja, BMC Ecuador. Friday, I remember you pretty much fine. I've been seeing your messages was pretty much, after, oh my God, I've been a bad mentor. Apologies, Friday, honestly. Okay, guys, I think it's gonna play out. After all, it's gonna just play out. I'm excited. I'm pretty much excited about this trailer now. I don't know why. Perhaps because it's a Monday, right? Mondays are very beautiful. So beautiful Monday, yeah? Oh, the stream is cutting off. Oh my God, why? What's going on? Something. Let me see my network. Yeah, my network is okay. What's wrong? What's happening? Oh my God, that's a very bad thing. Let me see. Excuse me. Oh, I know why. I know why. Let me fix this quickly. I know why. Oh my God, why is this happening, man? I need to change my computer already. Fang, please let me know when it's working fine, okay? All right, guys. So I wish I'm not gonna open any position unless I see price come all the way up here, okay? I wanna see price. If price doesn't come up here, then it's a go go. I don't. I'm not interested. I need price to come up, all the way. Okay, beautiful. Oh, good. He's coming. He's coming to us. Allow this guy to come to us to have fun. Either I come in here, I'm gonna open a position if I see price here, or perhaps somewhere here. If it comes here, I'm gonna open one, and if it comes above here, I'm gonna open one. Okay. Let me just put some price tag around there. But I'm using like 0.25. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. I love this. 0.25 and 0.25. That's 0.5 total. Fang, can you please confirm if the stream is okay now? I'm not sure why this is happening. Perhaps I need to turn off and turn it back on. I don't know. Why is this happening? Okay, let's see. Not forget this is today is Monday, so if you open a lot of positions, guys, you're absolutely on your own. 0.05. This is just a trial. The first trial of the week. You don't need to kill yourself where you're trying to prove a point. Ordinarily, I shouldn't have taken this trade, but I just wanna, show you guys that you can actually mean it and do it. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Please, can someone let me know if this is actually working out fine? For the YouTube is okay now. Fortunately, I'm not looking at YouTube. So sorry, guys. So sorry. I'm not looking at YouTube at the moment. All right. All right. All right. All right. Don't forget, why did we open this position here? We opened this position because we see that price has actually, closed below this week here. Yeah. So we decided to get in before even price reversed. So getting in at this, the start of the week before the candle that closed, and of course, get in again somewhere deeper. Basically, I'm expecting a very, tall wick to form for this candle. If it does, then we're gonna on at a swipe, we're gonna just hit our TP when price slashes below. So let's see how this works out. Let's see how it works out. Let's see how it works out. There's something I could actually do. Let me direct the traffic on YouTube. Let me direct it to. Okay, let me try to turn on my camera one more time. If I give up on this camera, I should just get a new computer. Honestly, I'm tired of this one. Camera, turn on now. Thank you. Oh, still not working. This is crazy, man. Perhaps I need to restart my computer, but I guess it's too late. Oh, I don't trust this. This is not the music I should be playing on stream, man. This is not non-copyright. What the hell, man? They're gonna block this video. I'm very, very sure. Yes, this is the music I should be playing. It's not copyright, so nobody's gonna sue my ass. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, guys, it's working out. See that? You just need to understand why I actually took this trade. Yeah, you need to understand just for your guidance. That is gonna be your stop loss. If it crosses there, guys, please close out everything. Don't think twice about it. Okay. If price crosses there, close out everything. Don't think twice because you don't need the headache. If it dares to cross this level, you're going to see price somewhere around 1885. If you doubt me, when it crosses, leave it. Then you're going to taste some soup cooked by gold. But I was confident in this trade anyway. I was super, super confident because 4 hours is telling me something I want to see. 4 hours is pretty much very nice, telling me something I would actually what I looked out for. But my issue with this kind of setup is so deceitful. If you've not seen it before, you may not be able to handle that position. But what actually inspired me to take this position was fake out here, basically what we call pin and then the reaction of price around here, and then for the fact that we attempted to close back again, but then ended up closing lower. We attempted to close above, but ended up closing lower. So I mean, it makes sense for me to assume that all these things are just some sort of retest for price to continue going down. Just watch out. Price may even get to 1970. I'm not sure. I'm just saying, guys. I'm saying out of excitement. I'm not saying it's gonna happen. I'm just saying that out of excitement. So what's best for you? Don't listen to that. Just go ahead and set your position here accordingly. Okay? Don't aim for don't do not aim for 1970. It doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Just so you know. So let's just be patient with this guy. Let's see how what games it has in stock. For us, let's see just what games it wants to play basically. Let's try my camera one more time. Hey cheese, oh not working. Did I change any setting on my camera? No, it was just working yesterday. The hell man. This was just working yesterday. How did it stop working all of a sudden? Okay, let's go. Let's go. So okay, we wait patiently. This is the only trade I will call on live stream today. If it works, fine. If it doesn't work, we're done. We'll call it today. So for US30, I don't think we have any feature here today because basically we have a range, 64 pips range here today. Yeah. So I mean, I don't know what to expect from this guy today. Honestly, I know what to expect from uh, US30 today. But let's see. I really have not looked at it critically. But if it can come up to somewhere around between $35,040, then it can form maybe some sort of it can form resistance around there. I can be able to take advantage of that resistance around there to this level, maybe 130 pips. That's what I could do. If it breaks away out of here, I'm not going to touch it. I don't trust it. There's a lot of noise around here. A lot of noise around here. When I said I'm not going to touch it, that is if the setup does not make any sense. But if the setup makes sense, definitely I'm going to touch it. You know, that is two different. Those are two different things. So what's the next step now? Gold. What's the next step? I was expecting you to show some mercy around here. That's about 17 pips. It doesn't make any sense to have closed there, right? If you are trading 5 minutes, perhaps it doesn't make any sense even in 5 minutes. I mean, it's absolutely bananas. Yeah, doesn't make any sense at all. Good. What you can do for yourself is to respect it. And what the hell is the volume? I can't even see any volume, man. This is London, London Open, man. And we are still asking God to move. I mean, what the hell is that for? What the hell is that for, man? Let's look at GA. GA not doing anything, absolutely going bananas, doing nothing, nothing, absolutely. All right, all right, all right, all right. Do not forget, we got into this position because gold broke. My stuff is not straight, right? So basically, gold closed below these wicks. See all this noise around here? Gold closed below it. So that was why we got into this position, minimizing our risk. Because what ordinarily I would have done is to wait for price to break here, price breaking here, and I'll still put my stop loss above here with higher risk and lower reward here. But this time around, what I did, I minimized my risk by getting in early because I have a confirmation. So it makes sense if I get in early to minimize my risk. And instead of 29, 30 pips, I'm risking only 12 pips. I mean, that's that's what I mean. 11.2 pips, by the way, not even 12. 11.2 pips. Yeah. So that's basically a strategy that works, and you can only use this when you are like very, very sure. Hey, I'm sure this price is gonna move because I've seen this a lot of time. Yeah. But regardless of how sure are you, do not forget that it is possible that the price will still fail you because again, price at the end of the day has the final say, not you. You just anticipate what price will do, and price will end up doing what it wants to do, regardless of what you think it's gonna do. So it makes sense. Makes sense. I think my network is bad again. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can see it even. My network is getting crazy. Okay, let's see. GBP, USD. GBP USD is gradually gonna break some highs around here. It's gradually gonna break some highs around here. Whoever go in, whoever go in somewhere here, yeah, it makes sense. This is cashable, I would say. Whoever go in here, I want for each level, maybe in one for somewhere here. It's a huge billionaire. Trust me. Takes millionaires mindset to do that. Making sense? Oh yes, making sense. If you say it doesn't make sense, I wonder what makes sense for you. You know what I mean? So we have to wait patiently, guys. So this closed now. Let's beautiful. Let's now see how 15 minutes is gonna react to this closure. I wanna see 15 minutes react around here. I wanna see the reaction. Perhaps the reaction is gonna tell me, oh hey, Mr. King, hey, close up everything, close it up, close it up, close it up. Oh, hey, Mr. King, good to go. Okay, let's leave it for some time. I've been playing with my screen a lot, playing with my screen a lot. So sorry about that. Let's leave it for some time and see what price is actually gonna do. Is gold actually gonna fly down? Oh, hey, yalla, gold fly down. Oh my baby, yalla. If you've been looking at market a lot, you're not gonna find it like you're gonna find it very easy to understand what's gonna play out here. I'm not saying that I'm right yet, but to some extent, if you are in this spot in this trade, it makes sense. If you don't understand what I'm saying or if you don't believe what I'm saying, just close out. Okay? Because do not forget, until we have a closure price breaking away from this level, which is the previous low, the low of the previous candle. If the price breaks away from that low, I may not be right. Okay, so just act accordingly, according to how patience serves you. Yeah? For me, I feel it's gonna move like past even our TP. I feel gold is gonna move up to 1970. I feel it's gonna move past our TP. All right, sorry, I want to take care of a couple of things, crucial things actually, crucial things. Okay, so now that price has broken below our previous low, I feel super excited. Why? Because we are about to see some sort of drive. See, never underestimate long week, especially in this kind of undetermined setup. Because in this kind of setup, not a lot of people can trade this. I'm not saying I'm a professional, but at least I've been able to understand that once I have this candle, once I have this kind of candle, I should expect some sort of, some movement downwards. But then it's never going to be straightforward. Never going to be straightforward. There's going to be temptations. Yeah. So the best thing for me to do right now is to secure some of my profits because you don't know what this guy's going to do next. I've just secured 50% of my position. It does not matter what price is going to do next. So right now, I think I'm good. I secured 50% at 22 pips. So the rest of the trade, whatever happens, I don't give a rat shit about it. So now I can easily go home and sleep because I've got my Monday goodies. Yeah. So it's gonna make sense actually if I move my stop loss to break even. So I'm gonna suggest you do this. It's gonna make sense if you do the same. So let's see. Stop loss to break even. Yeah, done. So what's gonna be? What's it gonna be? So you know when I'm gonna close my positions? I'm not gonna wait for my position to get to this level, to get to 1974. I'm gonna close it at 1975. I have strict rules. You know, if you're joining my streaming for the first time, you may not understand what I mean. Maybe if you have not joined, because I don't think I've streamed for a long time. Yeah, I started streaming back to back again. I think last week or last 2 weeks, just back to back one more time. Otherwise, I stopped streaming. So these lines, they're pretty much very important lines. You can see them across here. You can see them all over. Psychological levels. Just I just mentioned it. Go ahead and browse about it. Psychological levels. Yeah, they're part of my trading system. Trust me. I knew price was going to go down the moment I saw a closure even below my psychological level. But I prefer not to talk about psychological levels because it doesn't make sense to some people. Yeah, so I don't talk about it. I just talk with levels only. So that was why I had to open positions even before we secure the break out of previous 30 minutes low. So guys, the only thing you're gonna do for me now, if you wanna make this money with me in this industry, because I'm still growing, I'm not like a billionaire or millionaire yet. Yeah, the only thing you're gonna do if you wanna grow with me, go to Telegram, type Kingsley's Friends, and join me over there. That's where you can get me easily accessible. Everybody can say anything they want to say in the group. We don't. There's no restriction. I know restriction is going to come soon. With the moment we get a lot of members who are trying to sell shit, nonsense on the group, then restrictions will come in. We sanction the group. But now it's a free group, and I'm easily reachable. So go there and join the group. It's going to be pretty much easy. I think I'm missing something. JPY. I think something is happening in JPY. Not really. Is it? Not really. Yeah, not really. Nothing is happening. But then anybody who is smart would have, seen this happen here, knows that something is up. Yeah, and seeing this as well, seeing this and seeing this close back and the break. Anybody who is like as per my trading system, who trades with my system, knows that the moment this is broken, this is gonna be your entry for me. Once this is broken and closes below here, I'm just gonna enter at this top, yeah, and take it down. Of course, my target is gonna be here. Oh, nice! I would have hit my target. Easy, call it a day and go home. I mean, I don't need to be here all day. I know if I take it gradually like this, on a very good day, I'm gonna catch a candle like this. Just doing the same thing you do every day. On a very good day, you're gonna catch a candle like this. It's gonna be surprising to you that day. You're just gonna go and get a car for yourself. See that? Very good day, you're gonna catch it. You don't need to disturb yourself. Oh, gold is still moving down, guys. Guys, gold is still moving down. That's beautiful. Now it's not, there's no more, I'm no longer risking anything on this trade. Nothing. Basically, nothing is getting risk. I mean, nothing is free. I'm not risking anything on this trade anymore. Before I bite my tongue, man, English is not easy, guys. Trust me. If you're not from England, English is not yours. Leave it alone. Just speak your language and forget about English, guys. All right. Just want to see what else is going to markets has to throw at us. Don't forget we've closed 50% and moved surplus to break even, so it's risk-free trade right now. You're not risking anything in this trade anymore. Nothing is getting risked anymore. Somebody may want to take the position here. Not, I'm not interested because if I were to, then I would have taken position and closed my chat for somebody. I feel somebody may want to take one or two positions here. Let me just see if I can talk about something here and then we close it up. For Onion, a very good friend. So I have here support and resistance. Yeah. So doesn't make any sense by the way. There's nothing we're doing here, we're wasting time, honestly. It doesn't make any sense. Support here, resistance here, and then what else? We need to go lower. Yeah, so if you talk about maybe say, just 19 okay, 90 pips is something, 20 pips, which now volume is gonna move to push to 30. Yeah, it's okay. And then if we talk about to the upside, left hand side, we have 26. With enough volume, gonna move to 58, which I know is not possible because see, weeks like this, usually very dangerous, guys. Very, very dangerous. So basically, what we should be looking out for now is maybe for this candle to come here, yeah, maybe another candle after this, maybe coming here, and then forming, maybe trying to pull out and then forming something that's gonna give us an a signal for us to catch something up to 30, 30, 50 pips around there, from inside this range. Because this is pretty much a straight candle and this is a straight candle, right? You just need to find a way to take advantage of these straight candles. Or if we are able to, close above, maybe the next candle, if it's able to close above, then we should look out for, some sort of an open a retracement. Whenever it opens, there's going to be some sort of retracement based on how whatever transpired here before the candle closed above. May be able to cash a trade when the retracement is coming, cash a trade, then put stop loss below some candles, and then let the price go up to somewhere here. I mean, this is dependent on what you see. Just have to wait for it. Honestly, just have to wait to see how it works out for you. There's no particular solution. Guys, honestly, this is a good day already. We've made up to 29 pips, right? So for me, I think I should close my positions and call it a day, guys. Okay, I close my positions already. I call it a day. Feel free, absolutely free to leave your position until 1975. It's going to be absolutely okay. Trust me when I say that. But make sure you have moved your stop loss to break even. Most importantly, move your stop loss to break even. This is the most important part of this trade. And do one thing for yourself, do one thing for me as well. Go ahead and follow me. Okay, this is my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. Go ahead and type Kingsley's Friends on Telegram channel and follow me. Or you can alternatively click on my bio. Let me just show you guys how to do that. Click on my profile. Okay, go to my profile. Yeah, yeah, leave here. It's fine, my dear. Leave it. Alternatively, go to my profile. You're going to see my YouTube channel somewhere. Oh, Black Friday sales is on. My beautiful God, this is beautiful. Okay, I think it's somewhere. I've forgotten where I can see that, but that's my YouTube there. Click on this. You're going to get to my YouTube and then open this streaming that I just had now, this live streaming now. Click below it. This is it. I don't know. This is it. I don't know how many people are watching, whether 1 million people are watching, I guess. And then this is it. This is join me from here. This is pretty much very simple. Or you search for PPP Drahams on YouTube and join me from there. Okay, it's pretty much very simple. I'm expecting to get a lot of people there knocking on my door. Hey, Kings, you promised us something. Do something for us. I'm going to be more than willing to support whoever joins. Okay, and bear in mind, one moment. I need to renew my subscription now that these guys are doing Black Friday. Just to let everyone know, the best time to subscribe is November. Just wait for Black Friday. Once you wait for that, it's gonna come. Once it comes, take advantage of it. Rip them off. Not basically ripping them off. It's some sort of strategy, right? I prefer to renew at that time whenever they are having their promo, so I can easily, maneuver my payments across the year. There was one time I paid $1 for one whole year. $1 for one whole year on trading view, guys. Just to tell you what I mean. $1 for one whole year. Okay, just telling you, just so you know, the best time to buy that is this time. Okay. And what was that again? I was about to say something else. Whatever it is. So, guys, thank you very much for joining. Basically, there's nothing else left. Just have your positions locked. Make sure you have moved your stop loss to break even and close 50% of your position. Then trail the rest of the position down to 1975 or perhaps to 1974, whatever suits you the most. Okay. I wish everyone good luck and I hope to see you guys later in the evening at NYSE Open where we're going to specifically dive into US30 and dissect it for our own benefit. Perhaps if we have anything, we see there's anything we are seeing on stock, then we can actually take stock. See, I think we're going to have something. If there's no gap, if definitely markets definitely going to open with gap, but just assume if there's no gap, then we can take advantage of this. This is a whole lot of money, right? So we're waiting actually. We're waiting to see how this is gonna, work out. All right, guys. Thank you very much for joining everyone, and please join me again. Join me online. Join me on Telegram and all, so that we can make this progress together. Thank you very much, and do have a lovely day. Do not forget to like, man. Come on, please like, guys. Boost. Come on, like my stream so that it gets to more people. Okay. Bye bye, everyone.